All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. There is joy upon my face. So essentially, we're near the finish line here. I have all of the tapered legs fastened with the Kreg system, using the Kreg system, which is this simple little tool, which uses this drill bit here and this fastener here. This bit that puts in these screws from the Kreg system, which is here. Okay, so that's that. In order to hold this in position like this, I had to get this very generous DeWALT clamp, and we came around like this. So you can see that that long tip here allows you to get to the proper place in order to pull that in. And of course I used a little woodpecker square to make sure this guy was always 90 degrees. So that's how I achieved that. At first I was trying all kinds of things, like, you know, even this super duper extended unit here, nope, wasn't working. So that's what I figured out. And if you're not following the series, this is the series on the COVID coffee table. And I'm going to go ahead and demo for you. Oh, geez, sorry about that, guys. I am tired at this point. So we're going to use Gorilla Glue, and we're going to put the Gorilla Glue on the underside of this unit. And so we'll demo that on here, take another pocket screws. What I decided to use here was very interesting. So we're using these Power Pro screws. Let's see there. Very, very strong. I got these for my front door. My front doors, I swear, they weigh 500 pounds. You know, the old doors that come with these older homes. So I went and I bought these, and they really worked out well. So to hold on those heavy doors. So that's that. We use a Rockler system here to drill out the holes for these screws. So they're already in place. Whoops. So as you can see, my situation is, you know, how am I going to get, I said in my last video, however, I was just going to take these screws out here, take this block out, but you know, guess what? I Gorilla Glued it in place because I didn't want him to go anywhere. So he wasn't going anywhere. So what I decided is I'm just going to put some glue here, here, and here. We're going to drop it down in there, and then I'm going to screw it in there. So that's the answer. Just in case you were curious, how in the world am I going to do that? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not really sure what value there is from you watching me do what I just said. You can imagine that I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, let's call it a day. And let's just say that we're really happy that we're at this point. After this, we're going to do some fine sanding here, possibly up to 400 grit. Sandpaper, make this really nice. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to sand the top part. I may end up routering this oak trim that I made, put on here. I may end up routering this. Like I said, you know, if you really want to accent your, if you really want to accent edges, you want to give them that really nice, easy, subtle round over. So you're not touching anything sharp, like this, for example. So, and you've seen me use that over and over and over again in this project. So, thanks again. We'll say goodbye. It's Sunday evening here in the Northeast, upstate New York. And I'm so pleased to be at this point of the project. So just let me know what you think. I did mention several times that I'm going to not finish this until the spring because I need to not have VOCs in my house. I'm going to do that outside. And I'm thinking that I'm going to be staining it for sure and it's really going to help this grain to pop like big time. That's going to be so beautiful. The underside of this matters none, but the top of the unit is oak plyboard. So can you imagine what that's going to look like? So we'll see what we do. If it's going to be a dark or a golden or a cherry, who knows? Hopefully you've enjoyed the journey. We're not completely done, but we're mostly done. So thanks for watching. Remember to look up the series. It's the COVID-19 desk. Somebody asked me, one of the subscribers asked me, so do you make a flu desk? No. So take care. Let's say our goodbyes in the 5 different languages. 再见. Tutens. Shalom aleichem. Masalami. See you later. Take care. God bless. Stay safe. Continue to wear your masks so we get through this thing.